Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Joanie from simplelivingmama.com, and today I have an exciting unboxing, a look at some of the Good and the Beautiful curriculum that we are going to be using next year. Some of it we are already starting this year as well. So we are so excited. The Good and the Beautiful sent us some things, and you guys know that I love sharing wonderful curriculum with you, sharing what works for us. I have written extensively about the Good and the Beautiful language arts and how well it has been for my children. So I am excited to continue along with the Good and the Beautiful. And yeah, I've got some fun things to show you. So let's get started.
I'm excited.
Yeah, she actually already got into her course book because she just finished level 1 and is ready to start level 2. So she has already done the first couple of lessons in level 2. But I will show you all that here in just a second. Hey guys, so everything came nicely packaged in the box. I would have shown you how it was packaged, but my kids were so eager to get into the curriculum that they ripped everything open. But everything was bubble wrapped, so if the box got wet or something, it was protected. This was plastic wrapped. We are using musical multiplication. I will have a first grader and a third grader next year that are going to be learning multiplication. He's so excited. This has already been a hit in our house. Even I am going around and singing these songs. I will have a better review about this later on after we've used it a little bit more. I think it's going to be an excellent way to learn multiplication facts. Okay, as I said, we got level 2. My daughter is starting level 2 because she just finished level 1. I know they are redoing all of the lower levels. This is the original one, which is okay with us. We have, you gonna show us, Audrey? Mm-hmm. We have the level 2 reader.
It's pretty.
And then we have the level 2 course book. So we have the level 2 course book, the phonics cards, and then the course companion as well. Okay, my oldest child is going to be doing the level 6 handwriting. So that is what this looks like. We love the Good and the Beautiful's handwriting.
Yay!
Let's see. I want to show you level 1 language arts. I have a kindergartner who is currently working on level K, so he will then move into level 1. So we have the course book, the phonics cards, which you've already seen, and then the level 1 reader. And as I said, they are changing a lot of things. I'm going to be doing a level 1 review here pretty soon, hopefully within the next week or so, and I will outline all of the changes that are being made from this course, and then what they're going to have for the new language arts for the lower levels. Alright, so as I was saying, I have a kindergartner who will be moving into first grade. I purchased the level K handwriting PDF, which is what he is doing right now. So once he finishes that, we will move into this level 1 handwriting. So we're excited about that. And then level 4 will be for my third grader. And level 4, actually she has been introduced to cursive in level 3, and then we will work on it more in level 4. Something else I'm really excited about is my 4-year-old starting with the pre-K. Since we are using their language arts from here on out with all of my kiddos, I decided that my 4-year-old could start with preschool, and he is so excited that he already did a couple of lessons in this book. So he will be doing this along with some other things that I have planned for him for preschool next year. But it comes with the course book, the activity packet, and then the alphabet flip. And then the last thing that we received is 2 science units, the introduction to energy and then the energy, heat, light, and sound. These are not the only science units that I have planned, but it is all that I have right now. We are also planning on doing kingdoms of classifications. I have the PDF of that, as well as meteorology. And my oldest child will be doing the chemistry course for 5th to 6th graders. So I have the PDF of that as well, and we are really excited. I love, love, love the Good and the Beautiful science units. They just work so well for our family, and we've had a great time with them. I have a review of the safety unit that we've already finished. I have some information on resources and different things that we are using with Arthropods unit, which is what we are working on right now. We're almost finished with it. I will link all of those down below if you're interested. So the handwriting, the language arts, the science units, those are all resources from the Good and Beautiful that we are going to continue using in our homeschool. I absolutely love them. They have simplified our homeschooling, made my life so much easier. The kids love this curriculum. When this box showed up, I could not keep them away from it. I was like, I'm gonna have to sit down and film a video to show everybody what we're going to be using, and they wanted to get started immediately. Even my 4-year-old, he was so excited to get his course book that he just couldn't wait, and he's already done 2 lessons in it. I was like, oh, we're gonna start that after summer break, but he's already started it. So to have a curriculum that just makes your kids excited to do school is something that I could have never dreamed up. I had no idea my kids were going to be so excited to do school with these resources, and yeah, we're big fans of the Good and the Beautiful around here. I will have a full look at everything that we're going to be using next year for our homeschool, probably in July, maybe August. We're doing a few different things for history and Bible and stuff like that, and also things that I am going to be adding in. You know, I like to add lots of different books and resources, so I will have a full rundown of what I will be using for 5th grade, 3rd grade, 1st grade, and preschool later on this summer probably. So be sure to stay on the lookout for those things. And yeah, check out the links that I'm going to have down in the description box to learn more about how we have used the Good and the Beautiful in our homeschool so far. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Do not forget to like and subscribe, because I will have a lot more information about the Good and Beautiful homeschool curriculum, as well as lots of other things that we are using in our homeschool coming your way soon. So yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.